You know, it's March, I guess we're fine. Yeah.
Yeah, for March it's actually fine. It's March. Tomorrow we're going for a swim.
Maybe.
Tomorrow we're going for a swim.
We're planning to go for a swim. We are.
The guy who just came out of the water told us it's not that bad.
So many people are swimming actually.
Yeah. It's March.
And we're at the beach in Marseille.
Do we even know each other a month ago?
No, I don't think so.
Life course. Like, I'm just literally gonna put a video of this flat on my vision board because this flat is my vision board. Like everything about it. Look at this corner. And then you have double balcony. I mean, basically it's one balcony, but it's so pretty with the plants. In here, I love the table. The details are insane. And you have a double door here. Look at the fucking kitchen.
Look at the bathroom.
I know, it's so beautiful. It's insane. Here, you have a huge mirror. A huge mirror.
Dream of.
Right.
I'm never gonna leave
This flat is just... I don't even want to see Marseille. I just want to stay in the flat. Inspiring, and it's like, I think it's seriously on the 6th floor, or maybe the 5th, I don't know.
I have no idea.
Look at this! This is so pretty. You're gonna watch me have my breakfast here tomorrow. Hi loves and welcome from Marseille. It's currently Sunday. I think it's the 8th, probably? Yeah, I think it's Sunday, 8th of March. And I think it's sometime around 6 p.m. already. We came to Marseille yesterday from Paris. It was kind of a chaotic journey because we had to take the train at 7 a.m. from Disneyland. We're not really having plans for here. We just wanted to have a little weekend getaway. Paris lately has been a lot with Fashion Week and uni and just been a little bit overwhelming. So we decided that we're gonna be taking the train for like 40 euros per person in total to see some more of France. I'm so happy though to be back at the sea. I really miss the sea. Bisous, pussy.